Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the rear muffler on a Mitsubishi Magna. So this is in order to pass the annual inspection, the pink slip. There's holes in the lukey muffler that I have on there at the moment. I'm going to remove that, replace it with this standard muffler, look to repair the lukey and refit it, but I'll keep this muffler just in case I need to refit it again for future annual inspections. So the muffler was $140 including delivery. The other two items that failed were the rocker cover gaskets, which were leaking. I've got a video on how to replace those, as well as the distributor that was also leaking due to a disintegrated O-ring, and I've also got a video on how to replace that. So for this job, we've got the muffler, we've got the gasket. It's just a bolt-in item, so it's pretty straightforward, which is why I didn't go to an exhaust shop. I just thought I'll just get it done here, and I can keep this muffler as a backup because I don't want to keep it on the car permanently because I prefer the lukey sound and the performance. Tools for the job: spanners, socket set, and a exhaust hanger remover. I got that on eBay. That should make light work of the two exhaust hangers that need to be removed. I have done it before using a big screwdriver, but it's a bit of a nightmare. So we'll see how this tool works. And I've already got the car jacked on stands. Let's go. Okay, so if we look at the muffler here, just follow it. Yeah, there's quite a lot of corrosion. It goes up and over the suspension arm, and then there are 3 bolts. So there's the 2 that you can see there, and there's actually 1 up and behind. I don't know if I'll be able to capture it. I don't think I can. I don't know if you can see where I'm pointing. Anyway, you'll see when you look at the gasket that there's 3 in a triangular pattern. So you need a 17 for these, using a socket set just to hold that bolt, and then a 16 for the nuts. So what I suggest you do is, these are quite easy to access obviously, but to get the one at the back you need to scoot right back under the car. There it is. So in terms of bolts, that's it. And there's actually 3 exhaust hangers, and I'll show you how that tool works. It's brilliant. Okay, so with the exhaust hanger remover, you just fit it on like so and just squeeze. I'm doing it one-handed here, but you get the idea. But you can see there, it's just so easy. I'll do the other one. Yep, it's popped off. Remove those, and then the one I did earlier is this one here, the biggest one. So easy, 10 bucks, 10 bucks. Brilliant tool. So what I'll do is I'll just pop those 3 hangers off, undo the rest of these bolts, and then just maneuver this muffler out over the suspension arm and out of the car, and then we'll reinstall the new one. You can see there, a couple of years ago I actually replaced the center section. Unbelievably, you can actually buy this on eBay. I think it was around about the same price as that muffler, 140, 150. And again, it's a complete bolt-in section. So I've got to say, I mean, the engineering on this car is really quite neat in terms of being able to maintain it, and also the access to relatively cheap parts. So yeah, all right, we'll keep going. Here is the leaky muffler. It's not too bad actually. I think I can repair it. There's a few holes down there. They're my earlier attempts to repair it, but I mean, there's no large holes that I don't think can be repaired. And although you can still buy this muffler, surprisingly, I mean this muffler is about 13 years old. They want about 400 for it, so it's more economical for the purpose of getting the car through rego to just buy a standard muffler. Okay, job done. Standard muffler now installed temporarily. So I'll run this down to the mechanic now, hopefully get a pass. Well worth the investment in these exhaust hanger removers. Very cheap, very effective. As you could see, I removed them with just one hand and this tool. So, any questions or comments, leave them below, and as always, thanks for watching. Cheers.